Hello guys, now let's understand the clear difference between the vector and array list. So both are looks the same. The thing is, a vector is a legacy class. Okay, it was introduced in the post Java version, so that's why it is calling as the legacy class. Okay, but the array list is not the legacy class. It is introduced in the Java 1.2 version. Okay, so it is not legacy and introduced in the Java 1.2 version. Okay, this is the first difference, and the main difference was a vector is a synchronized one. That means it is a thread safe collection. Okay, but this is not synchronized. Array list is not synchronized. Okay, and let's understand it. One more thing, how the implementation will happen inside the vector and array list. So for example, the default size of the vector is 10 elements. Okay, and the same thing here also, the default size of array list and vector is 10 elements. Okay, the difference is here, once the size was exceeded, so vector will increase its size by 100%. Okay, but the array list will increase its size by 50%. I will tell you what exactly it is. Okay, let's assume that this is my old capacity. Okay, and we will define new capacity. Okay, similarly here also I am doing that, old capacity and new capacity. Okay, so by default 10, right? So here also the capacity will be 10. So once the 10 elements we have filled in the vector, so what will happen is it will increase by 100%. That means it will become 20. Okay, but here it will increase it by 50%. That means 15. Okay, now let's go to vector. So what will happen is, once again the size was increased to 20. Okay, the 20 was exceeded, so what next will happen, it will increase it by 40. So almost every time it will double its size, so it will be 40. So here what will happen is, so old capacity is 15, once it was exceed 50%, it will increase. That means 15 plus 7.5, because half of its size, so that is 22.5. Okay, now here we will take, so what will happen here, 40, once the 40 capacity was exceeded, 40 plus 40 equal to 80. Here what will happen, so rounded it won't take. Okay, it will give 22. So here 22 is old capacity. If once 22 was exceeded, it will become 22 plus 50% of it, that means 11, that is equal to 33. So like that sequentially increase. Okay, so simple thing was, you have to remember, size increases into 2, or you can say 100%. Okay, here the size will become 50%. Size of array list increases 50%. Okay, so like that these vector and array list work internally, and they will allocate the capacity like this. Okay, I hope you got my point.